paranoid about those pesky mosquitoes that suck the blood out of your skin and cause a lot of itchiness and swelling of the skin? Well, today let's chat about 5 different plants that you can grow easily around the home that naturally repels mosquitoes. Catnip, which is not only loved by cats, it's one of the best natural repellents. Catnip, which belongs to the mint family, is a very hardy plant and a fast grower. So best to grow this plant in a pot, otherwise it can overtake the garden very quickly. And with the leaves of the catnip, if it's crushed, the oil in the leaves contain a compound called nectarolactone, and this compound there can be used instead of DEET. DEET is a chemical compound that's used in a lot of mosquito repellents, and it's a very strong compound, so using catnip is actually better because it's more natural. Rosemary, which is a wonderful herb that's used in food, it has a needle-shaped leaves and grows in a bush-shaped type, and it has very cute flowers that come in pink, blue, and white, and also purple. And with this needle-shaped leaves, if you crush it, the oils in the leaves actually contain 3 different compounds that repel mosquitoes. It contains cinnamon oil, it contains camphor and limonene, and these repel mosquitoes. So it's great to actually grow the rosemary outside, which is a very hardy bush-like plant, cut the actual stems, pop it into a container with a little bit of water, and put it in the area near windows or doors. So when you open up the doors or the windows, the mosquitoes are naturally repelled. Lavender, which is prized for its luxurious and calming sort of smell that helps promote sleep. It is one of the better deterrents of mosquitoes because it contains a compound called linalool. And linalool, what it does to mosquitoes, it disrupts its olfactory senses, so it smells senses, and so mosquitoes don't like this and they tend to stay away. Growing the lavender outside is wonderful and very rewarding because it comes in a few different colored flowers like purple, pink, and blue. And you can cut the stems out and you can dry the lavender and pop it around the home to deter mosquitoes also coming into the home. Basil is another wonderful herb that enhances the fragrance of food, but the wonderful thing about basil is that it disrupts the heat and carbon dioxide senses of mosquitoes. So basically it confuses the mosquitoes and they can't tell what you are, which is food to them. And so by this disruption there, it deters mosquitoes because it has to fly away to recover its senses. Marigold, which is not just only a pretty face that comes in abundant variety of blooming flowers, it also is a very pungent sort of smelling plant, and it contains compounds called pyrethene, and also releases gases called thiophenes, and this messes with mosquitoes so they don't like hanging around the plant. And the main thing about marigold is that it's super easy to grow and it has lots and lots of blooms when it's the blooming season. So that's the plants that I would recommend to repel mosquitoes naturally around the home. If you have any recommendations of your own, I would love to read about in the comments section down below. And if you'd like to know how to actually take care of a monstera and help it grow, watch this video here. I'll catch you there.